Sup guys, Pro Purple here, back with another fidget spinner video. Anyways, I'm at a different spot, but I'm not gonna be here mainly. I'm gonna be here like 2, 3, one time, probably, first time. And yeah, so we're gonna spin a fidget spinner for 5 minutes. Let's go. This video should get to 5:21 minutes. Or 5:20, it should get to 5 minutes and 21 seconds. So Mr. Beast did a video of spinning a fidget spinner for 24 hours. We're doing is a 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, then so on into an hour. And then we're going to try to do it for 24 minutes because 24 hours just in separate videos. So we're like doing the same thing as him. And I took the bearings off because they keep falling off, as you know, in my last video. So yeah, let's just spin till 5:21. We're gonna do this mainly a lot of times. So yeah, spin it each time 5 minutes. 5 minutes only. I ain't gonna waste my time for 10. I'll waste my time for 5. So we already got 2 minutes done. So, come on, let's go. It's night, it's time for me to almost go to sleep. I'm just making this video. Let's go, come on. 5:21, come on, let's go. Guys, I paused the vid. I wanted to find the bearings, but I don't have them right now. So, let's see. Come on. It's probably gonna get to 5:23, 5:30. I'll be done with this. One more minute, guys. 1:20, 1:40, 2 minutes. One more minute, come on. We'll do it this point. Come on, we're living it up. Not playing around. Come on. Let's go. Jalapeno. Oh, jalapeno. What the heck am I doing? Let's go, come on. 20 more seconds. 40, probably. 20 more seconds. Come on. Oh, we're actually done. 5 minutes. 21. Come on. Has to get to 21. Because in the beginning I was talking for a few seconds. And that is done, guys. I spin a fidget spinner for 5 minutes. And I'm going to do spinning it for 10 minutes. Because, yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'm not going to put them all together. Like, that would be so, no. That would be the hardest thing ever. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Pearl Purple out, and peace. Dab. Puppet, dab. I'm spinning it more than 5 minutes. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.